My name is Richie, and today I'm in Nyaboanse area, and I'm with my friends here. So I can welcome my friends here, so you can see them. Yes.
Hello guys, welcome to Richie YouTube channel. My name is Masubo guys, coming live from my village here in Nyaboanse. Actually, for now, I just become like friends. So
Yeah.
if you're first time coming across this YouTube channel, I want to appreciate you for your most welcoming.
Yeah.
And guys, if you're first time, please leave a comment. Just share if you can. Yeah, because you know in this life love is free, so please consider by subscribing at Richie. My name is Masubo guys.
Yes, and I don't forget here my brother here.
Yes,
Yeah.
you can add my name, just say
Hello.
hello, hello baby official.
Hello, baby
That's
official.
simple. Just like you are greeting a call, hello.
Yeah.
So you add baby official.
Official.
Yes. So guys,
Yeah.
my name is Hello Baby Official. Welcome back to Richie channel.
Yeah.
If it was the first time to watch his channel, please consider by subscribing, comment, review, and share.
Yeah.
And don't skip ads.
Yes.
You know ads for ads are important.
Yeah,
Yes.
important.
Don't skip any ads. Yes. So Richie.
Yeah.
Now this is my background here.
Oh.
This is my former primary school.
Oh, this is your former primary school.
Yes.
Let me show them. Yes. Guys, you can see.
At my back here, this is my church.
Uh-huh.
And when I started my primary school
Yeah.
at lower classes, I started on that classes, that 3 classroom there. Up
Those up
Yes.
there. I can see
When-
them.
When I promoted from that classroom, I come at this side.
Uh,
You know, this school was sponsored by Wazungu.
yeah.
Why
From?
from USA. Actually, this school is for that guy from USA. We call Wazungu. All white people.
White
Yes,
people.
he was the one who controlled this school. He started from 19, and I can remember from
Let me
1998.
show them. Okay,
Yes.
I can see the school here is
Yeah.
so yeah.
So this is the name of that guy who started this school.
May
Called
you read
Reverend
it? May you read
David.
it?
Reverend David.
Oh.
So this is the name of that guy.
So
And-
this one the name.
Yes, Reverend David, because he was a pastor.
Yeah.
So he called Reverend David. And this is the name of school, the Westcog.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can see.
Yes.
Yeah, I see.
That recent time this school was performing very well up to now. Yes.
And let me ask you.
Yeah.
Which marks did you get to
Me?
promoted to the next class? I say class.
From the class 8 or from my lower classes. Hey,
You can recall.
when I'm started from the lower class, I was passing very well.
Yeah.
When I'm reached standard 7,
Yeah.
you know, my stage started from there. I came a rude boy.
You can funny.
Funny boy. You see, things are very simple in this life, so I could not hear any teacher.
But no problem. You
Yes.
passed very well. Okay. I let me answer that you passed very well.
I
your
passed very
exam.
well. Yes. Yeah.
Hello, baby. Hey, hello, baby. Official.
Hello, Baby Official.
Yeah.
Yeah, go and check me at my YouTube channel there. Hello, Baby Official. Drop comment, review, share, subscribe. Don't skip ads.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
When I see you are subscribing every day, I'm feeling very happy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
You know my channel is still growing.
And up to now, let me ask you how many subscribers?
Subscriber.
Yeah.
Around 147.
Oh. Okay. I know God will lift you up and you will be somewhere.
Yes.
Yes, as I am praying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And me, I'm continuing praying every day. God,
Yeah. Yeah.
I want to be
Hmm.
where other
Yeah.
are be.
Hmm.
And by God's grace, every day you continue praying, I will catch those guys
Yeah.
who are forward or who are head to me.
Yeah.
Yes. Like this man here, Masubo. He had like 1,047 subscribers.
Masubo.
Yes.
Masubo, what can you say there? What can you say?
So for me, what I can say is that
Yeah.
thank you and thank you a lot.
Yeah.
For those who have been a full support to me. Actually, guys, I appreciate you. I appreciate a lot because let me pass here. I appreciate you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because if it could not be you guys, I could have not reached where I've just reached.
Yeah.
So may God bless you abundantly. May God bless you, you and your family, guys.
Yeah.
So Rich,
Yeah.
let me hold for your camera. I know I understand the situation, guys.
The situation.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah. Thank you.
You
Thank
understand
you
the
very
guys
much.
from this village.
Yeah.
They see a camera. They want to show him a camera.
So Rich,
Yeah.
how do you say the environment of this village?
Me, I'm very, very thankful, and I'm very, very happy. This
Yeah.
environment is so amazing and so cool. I can
Okay.
see, yeah, by the looking. So you can even shop it by the looking of the environment. It's so cool. Yeah, and what I can say,
Yeah.
um, I thank you very, very much. You and my brother here,
Yes.
Hello Baby
Official.
Official. Yeah.
So and what challenges?
Yeah.
Just look at this. Oh, this man is so cool.
Actually, this is my cousin here.
So how do you? What challenges?
Challenges.
What challenges have you been encountering since you came at this village and till now?
Okay, guys, since I came into this village here in
Yeah.
Nyaboanse,
Yes.
let me say Nyaboanse. Yeah, not Nyaboanse.
Yeah.
Nyaboanse. First,
Yes.
the first challenge is the language.
Okay.
Yeah.
Language barrier.
Yeah,
Language barrier.
Yeah.
very, 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 very
You learn
serious.
so many languages.
Yeah. So
That.
You know, you remember this guy?
Yeah.
So,
Oh.
can you say hi to them?
so Masubo,
Yeah.
actually, on that site where rich guys live on that bush,
Yeah.
this one is only the security officer. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Very good.
Just remember that name.
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
Say that name, man.
Yeah. Very-
Rich. Where Rich hides.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the only security officer
Okay.
that controlling that site.
Oh,
Yes.
I'm very, very
Thank you.
yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, guys. I think the screen has just zoomed. Yeah, so you say challenges that
That I'm passing through
yeah.
in this area since I came here.
Yeah.
Yeah, first is language barrier.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, it's very, very, very. I find it very, very hard to interact with these people here. Yeah, you know, with me,
Yeah.
I know only English, Swahili. Yeah, and,
And their local language.
and my local language.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that is the first challenge which I'm passing through here. Again, when I came here, I found it very, very hard. Not easy to find a room. Here in Nyaboanse is very, very dense area. So I found it very, very hard. You know, I found a small room, small single room. Yeah, and this small single room, you pay. I was paying it every day, daily.
Daily.
Yeah, which was causing me a lot of money.
Yeah.
And that was very, very big challenge to me. Yeah.
So other challenge that you encountered here at the village.
A challenge.
Yeah.
Oh.
All that those are the main challenges.
Okay. Again, type of food. Yeah, type of food.
Yeah.
Which you people you are eating in this area here.
Yeah.
So I found it very, very difficult to eat the what do we call the flour of the cassava, or what do we call it?
Cassava.
Yeah.
Cassava. Okay.
The
Brown
cassava flour.
porridge. No. Brown ugali. Brown ugali. Yes.
Brown
Yeah.
ugali.
Yes.
Yeah, I found it very, very difficult.
Difficult.
Yeah, so those were the challenges which I was passing through.
Yeah.
And with you here, with you,
Yeah.
And my friend here, hello baby, and others. I am now I'm now starting catching up.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that is also very happy. So that is also nice.
Okay.
So I'm very
And
happy.
and my last question to you is that how do these people of Nyaboanse village take you as a visitor?
Yeah,
Yeah, or as a YouTuber?
yeah. Oh, these people of Nyaboanse,
Yeah.
I mostly appreciate them, or let me say, I thank them very, very much
Yeah.
because they they welcomed me here
Okay.
as I am taking my video.
Yeah.
They are welcoming me. They are friendly. Yeah, they are so friendly.
Okay.
Yeah, and I've not found it I've not find it very difficult to capture the video here.
Okay,
Yeah,
so you can catch slowly so that I salimia my friend.
You
You can take as I am salimia.
Who
yeah.
is that? Mafofo.
Who is that? Who is that?
Is another YouTuber.
Makopo. Oh, so if we got there and let's say we salimia her.
You greet him.
Yeah, we greet
Not her, him. How you know is a lady?
a lady.
Yes, you
Okay,
greet
thank
him.
you for correction.
So I
Thank you
can't
for
think
correction.
I can't think that Mapapa allowed you because this time is too late. Yes. Actually you see there's some darkness.
Yeah, yeah, I can see some darkness.
Yes.
Yeah, so what do you can you tell these guys here too, so that they can say bye bye?
So guys, here is Richie Richie. He came here the previous day. We treat him like our brother.
Yeah,
Yes. And still staying at this village, we shall showing you many villages, many streets.
Yeah.
In our village we have many streets,
many
yes.
finance.
Panya road, street, yes. Many streets, yes.
Yeah, many
You,
streets.
you pass there at Mama Mboga's at
Yeah.
the market there, you see how can sell some that fish,
Yeah.
cabbage, tomatoes.
Yeah.
Actually, it's simple to know how can sell one cabbage, the price. Yes.
Oh,
Yeah, you can pass there and you ask one orange, they can give you a prize. One cabbage, a prize. One fish, a prize.
price.
Yes.
So they can give me give me.
Yes.
Okay.
No, our life here in the village is very simple because you're staying around the border of Tanzania.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
actually, everything is simple.
Yeah.
When you want to buy clothes, it's very simple. Accommodation of room is very simple. Yes.
Okay. Okay. My friend Masibo.
Yeah.
Who was that who stand there? Who were talking?
Yeah, that is another YouTuber here in the village.
Uh-huh.
He's my friend. So you know sometimes it's not good that you pass somebody
Uh,
without greeting him or her. So that's the reason that made me to go there and eat.
yeah. Okay. So you just went there to, let's say, to greet them. Yeah. To greet him. Okay. Okay. So we have walked a lot, and let me ask you, where are we now?
We are we are at the market.
This market.
Assist you.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it has just become dark because of the weather. So
And the sun is now gone down.
yeah, it's just sun setting. So for me, actually, guys, let me show you. We are at the market. The market of Nyaboanse.
Oh.
Just look over. Yeah, this is the market. So for me, guys, I want to go there with my mother so that she want to send me. So I think you will pass here so that we can meet from there. So just catch.
So hello babe.
Yes.
Hello baby the official. Oh, hello baby official.
Hello, baby official.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm very happy today. Yeah, I'm very happy today.
Okay.
Kunitembeza in English? What do you say for kutembeza?
Tembeza.
Yeah.
Tembeza.
Yeah.
So let me
Walk
think. No, it's not walking.
Yeah.
Like you have a short nature.
Oh,
Nature walk.
nature walk.
Yes.
So, hello baby.
Yeah.
You can write here let us just ask for prices of this yeah, so that I can know, so that when I came here next time and I will not be having any challenge.
I can't. It is hard.
It's hard.
Yes. When you have a little money, you can buy one orange for.
Yeah.
You know, this mama, they can share this kind.
Yeah. Okay. Let's walk. Let's walk.
Yes.
You say that we have a nature walk.
Nature walk. If you can have 20 bob shillings,
Yeah. About the prices.
the prices.
Yes.
It's able, when you have 20 bob shillings, you can ask the price of orange, mango, maize. Yes.
What about bananas?
Banana.
Yeah.
Banana is just here. Just here. You can buy.
We can go there buy.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's branch there so that we can buy.
Yes.
Yeah. And here on this
Yes. Can you able to see? Yes.
so that we can branch here.
Yes.
Okay. How are you? Let me ask you. Will they hear what I'm saying?
So,
Guys there. You are fine. Okay, I'm fine too. I'm fine too. So I want banana. I want banana. Oh, and how do we sell them? Like this. 20 bob. Okay, so this is 20 bob each.
yes. Kenyan shilling.
Okay, this is 20 bob each Kenya shilling. So today, guys, you can see I'm walking here and I'm enjoying in Nyaboanse here. Buying the banana. Yes, we call the banana.
Yes.
So nachagua tu, ndio. So guys, you can see I'm enjoying.
Just a minute.
Let's turn the camera. Okay. So guys, you can see here.
Come this way.
Let me come this side. You can see here I'm enjoying the Nyaboanse banana. Yeah, Nyaboanse banana.
Sure.
You can see guys. Yeah, here's the banana. 20 shillings, 20 Kenyan shillings. So I'm very enjoying. So what do you
Just
say?
like $5 the same amount.
Oh, like this is just like $5. Wow. And yeah, banana is also sweet. Yeah, banana is also sweet.
This is
So
the right one.
yeah, so this is the ripe one. We can just start eating them.
No, because this is our market. You can
So let me say thank you. Yeah, thank you. Let me see you next time. So guys, there you can see here.
this is the hustle.
So this is what?
This one.
That is what?
This one. This is a small shop.
What do we call? How do we call this one?
Yes?
How do we call this one?
This one.
Yeah.
You know, this guy are still struggling every part in our street. So this is like small shop.
Small shop.
Yes.
So this is walking shop.
Yes, working shop.
Okay. Okay, how are you? You are fine. Oh. So this is you are okay, so how are you? You are so fine. Yeah, so today I'm meeting the media and I want to know how you are selling here. Yeah, how do you sell this
Goods.
yeah, let me say this. How do you sell this here? Let me say
Anasema
for example,
unauzaje?
yeah, so this one. So this one is 10 bob. And how do you sell this one?
Lollipop. Yes, lollipop.
So we call this lollipop.
Yes.
Oh. Hey.
You can able to ask the price.
Yeah, so which price? At which price?
Kwa shingapi?
10 shillings. Okay, so you can see guys, today enjoying even eating what? Lollipop.
Lollipop.
And may you ask them there, I ask you guys there, how do you call lollipop in English? Yeah.
Lollipop. It's just like that.
How do you
Lollipop.
call lollipop in English?
It's just like that.
Just Big Daddy.
Big Daddy.
Big Daddy.
Yeah. It's not Big Daddy. This is Big
King Kuba.
King Kuba.
King Kuba.
This is King Kuba.
Yes, you want to be king.
Yeah, today guys I'm enjoying eating King Kuba in Nyaboanse market.
Yes.
Yeah, and I'm very very happy.
Yeah.
So, oh, I'm sorry. I've not given her
Yes.
her money. Yeah. So, may you come? May you come after
So guys, this guy is so crazy. Imagine this is the shop.
Yeah.
Actually, this is the wheelbarrow.
Yeah.
This one
Show them,
here.
show them, show them.
Yes. This is the wheelbarrow.
Show them. The wheelbarrow.
Yes.
So this one is also-
When time reached at night, he
Yeah.
pulled the wheelbarrow
And
to
go
the
back.
homestead. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can show them the shop. You can show them.
So
Go around,
I-
show them.
I like this guy, the way
Yeah.
he's struggling everywhere. So this is the wheelbarrow. Yes.
So, so guys, this is the owner of the shop.
Yes.
Yeah, the wheelbarrow, the shop. Yeah. Okay, so this is your money. So I need to balance. Yeah. And
Say hi. Say hi. So this guy is greeting you, and actually he hold the baby.
oh, that is the baby.
Yes, I can't think whether it's her sister or her brother. His brother, your sister. Nice one.
Okay, guys. So now I am through with this my friend here. So I want to depart now. We were in the nature walk, so you know,
Yes.
yeah. So we just want to walk slowly by slowly, going up there to Nyaboanse stage. So we are from the market, and here from the market, I have today bought Big Daddy.
Yes, no, that's King what?
King Kuba.
King Kuba. You want to become a king when you nani? You
bought
test
King
that.
Kuba here,
Yes, King
and
Kuba.
the bananas here, I'm going to enjoy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, me
let's
what?
go. Let's say, thank you guys. Thank you very much. Yeah. So let's go. Hey guys, it's almost becoming dark, and you can see here. I have been walking, and these my friends here. Hello baby, official, Masubo, and so I want to say bye bye to you. Yeah, I've really enjoyed this nature walk today in Nyaboanse village, and I'm urging you guys, please, if you are coming across to this video, you are seeing this video for the first time, to my new viewers, my new subscribers, please support by subscribe. So here is my friend. Here is my friend here. He just arrived now. So let's hear from her first, yes, then we can say bye bye to you guys.
Okay guys, welcome to Rich YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Guys, we are here at the village. We
Yeah.
were just they were just with Hello Baby,
Yeah.
just going around.
Yeah.
So with me, guys, I was just inside morning about my phone.
Yeah.
You know, it got spoiled. So guys, thank you, and I really think you enjoyed the environment.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for now. Meet next time tomorrow, while I will be shooting my video with somebody's phone.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Bye bye. Let me see you next.